I've come across young people who come to me and say, I'm not feeling well. Why? Because this person or someone else told me that you're ugly and you're this. And I always tell them, you're not. You're absolutely stunning. But it needs the right eyes. That's all. It needs the right heart. None of us is ugly. None of us is thrown out of the mercy of Allah. Every one of us is within the mercy of Allah. No matter what you look like, no matter what your complexion is, no matter what your size is, Allah has created us so diverse that someone somewhere will really look at you and die to be with you. Subhanallah. Literally. And the reason I say this is, we have a different taste. You find sometimes, some people might look somewhere and say, oh, wow, did you see this? Look at how good. And someone else will say, what are you looking at? But that's how Allah's made us. So appreciate that. Thank Allah. No matter who you are, there will be people who are crazy about you. Why? It's Allah's method. It's Allah's way. Allah made us different. And that's why, have you thought about it? Do you know what I learned? I learned that if you shave your head, the way your hair grows is totally unique. You can actually in future have, I don't know what do they want to call it, a hair print. For recognition, we have the iris, unique. We have, for example, the thumbprint, unique. Everything is unique. Did you know that there are no two zebras on earth that have the same stripes? You would know because you are from Kenya, right? No two zebras have the same stripes. No two leopards have the same spots. هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين من دونه. This is the creation of Allah. Show me what those besides Allah have created. That's the creation of Allah. Allah challenges us. He is the proud. He is the one who says, look, I made this, show me what others have made. All of you have a different identity. You know what is DNA? I'm sure you've heard it, but go and read about it, go and research. You will be shocked, wallahi. I gave a little bit of saliva for a DNA test of my own to find out. Sorry, this is telling us the time is up, but it's okay. To find out more about myself, who am I, where I come from, and they gave me back 15 generations where you are from. DNA, what was it? A little bit of saliva in a small little spittoon. Wow. Me, unique me. They will tell me who I'm related to, who I'm not related to. They won't say which microphone is working and which is not, but that's fine, inshallah. But my brothers and sisters, don't you think it's amazing? It's the creation of Allah. We are different, totally different. We will appreciate those differences. We will acknowledge them, really. And we will enjoy the fact that we are different, unique. Look at your features, thank Allah. Look at the others, thank Allah. But remember, it's a test. The minute anyone thinks they are better than the other because of what Allah has given them, that is the very minute that they have dropped all their crystals. Sometimes you collect a bag of crystals. You know what the crystals are. I was speaking about them from the beginning, right? You collected a whole bag, but because of one big thing, you dropped the whole bag.